Hello people and welcome to Shifting Gears. As you can notice with me right now is the 2020 Royal Enfield Meteor 350. This is their latest cruiser motorcycle. This bike is all new. सभी चीज़ें इस बाइक पे जो भी आप देख रहे हो it has been newly developed. आपको एक नई 350cc engine मिल रही है. Obviously it is BS6 compliant. This bike rides on an all new chassis, so that also has resulted in weight reduction, but this bike is still on the heavier side. इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं अबाउट दिस मोटरसाइकिल्स हाईवे परफॉर्मेंस. हाउ इज दिस बाइक टू मैनेज व्हेन यू आर राइडिंग दिस बाइक एट स्पीड्स. क्या ये बाइक हायर स्पीड्स पे क्रूज कर पाती है? इज दिस मोटरसाइकिल बेटर देन द थंडरबर्ड रेंज ऑफ मोटरसाइकिल्स व्हेन यू वांट टू क्रूज ऑन लॉन्ग हाईवेज, व्हेन यू वांट टू जस्ट मंच माइल्स? इन सभी चीज़ों के बारे में इस वीडियो में बात कर लेते हैं. सो नाउ दैट वी हैव स्टार्टेड राइडिंग दिस मोटरसाइकिल, फर्स्ट just check out to my right hand side we have the BS6 compliant classic 350, and to my left is the predecessor of this Meteor 350. We have the Royal Enfield Thunderbird 350X. This is the actual evolution. अभी Royal Enfield जो है इस मोटरसाइकिल को Meteor इसलिए कह रहे हैं because they want to sell it in more international markets where the Thunderbird name was not possible to be used as. ये जो रॉयल एनफील्ड की मीटियोर 350 है, दिस इज़ एन ऑल न्यू मोटरसाइकिल. इसके साथ आपको एक नई चैसी मिल रही है, इसके साथ आपको एक पूरी तरीके से नई बनाई हुई इंजन मिल रही है. नाउ वी ऑलरेडी नो द स्पेसिफिकेशंस एंड जस्ट टू क्विकली रिवाइज, दिस बाइक प्रोड्यूसेस 20.2 HP ऑफ पावर एंड 27 न्यूटन मीटर्स ऑफ टॉर्क.
इंजन जो है पूरी तरीके से नई बनाई गई है. इट इज़ अ 349cc सिंगल सिलेंडर एयर कूल्ड मोटर. इसके साथ आपको एक 5 स्पीड का गियर बॉक्स ही मिलने वाला है. एंड इट इज़ नॉट रियली द मोस्ट पावरफुल इंजन जब आप इसे कंपटीशन के साथ कंपेयर करते हो, बट स्टिल इट इज़ गुड इनफ.
एंड आई एम सरप्राइज्ड टू इवन यूज दिस वर्ड. द न्यू रॉयल एनफील्ड मीटियोर 350 इज refined. I am really surprised to use this word. पुरानी जो 350cc मोटर है वो BS6 compliant हो चुकी है. The Thunderbird did not get a BS6 compliant avatar, but the classic 350 is sold with a BS6 engine. But when you compare that engine to this Meteor 350, this motor is going to feel a class apart. This feels so relaxed, this feels so smooth, this feels so refined that you will appreciate the leap that Royal Enfield has made towards the BS6 emission norms and to the future, where this engine and this new platform is going to make way for more motorcycles. Right now I am riding this motorcycle, this Meteor 350 on the Mumbai-Pune highway. आज जब से मैं ये बाइक चला रहा हूँ on the highway, I am just so happy with the laid back attitude of this motor and how relaxed it rides. The engine is just so effortless to make gear changes or to pick up pace or just to amble around traffic and cruise on the highway, that you as a rider get so much of a chance to enjoy the road, to enjoy the overall scene. हम आज की डेट में काफ़ी बिजी हैं अपने लाइफ में. We have a lot of things to do. We have our blood pumping, our pulse racing in so many activities that we do, that if you want a motorcycle to go out on a leisure ride where you just want to have some fun and where you just want to relax, you will really appreciate this motor. This bike will keep you calm. This bike will ride in a calm way, and because of the overall rider's triangle as well, you will be very happy on the saddle, and you will be able to munch more miles without having to worry about the motor feeling stressed, because the motor now feels really good. It feels capable of doing maybe 500-600 kilometers easily. You do not really have to worry about the engine running out of breath very soon, because this now has oil cooling. But the oil cooling is not with the use of a additional oil cooler. आपको इस गाड़ी के जो engine head area में एक oil cooling jacket दिया गया है. This is some way of cost cutting, but still moving forward and keeping the engine run that much cooler for that much longer. Now when I am on the highway, check it out, I am very effortlessly cruising at close to 70 kilometers per hour. दिस इज़ अ वेरी रिलैक्स्ड स्टेट ऑफ ट्यून। गाड़ी मैं 5th गियर में चला रहा हूँ एंड रॉयल एनफील्ड कॉल्स द 5th गियर एज द ओवरड्राइव गियर ऑन दिस मीटियोर 350। बट ऐसा नहीं है कि ये जो ओवरड्राइव गियर है इट इज़ रियली बोरिंग। राइट नाउ व्हेन आई हैव टू मेक ओवरटेकिंग मैन्यूवर्स, चेक दिस आउट, अगर मैं एक्सेलरेटर इनपुट दे देता हूँ, द थ्रॉटल रिस्पॉन्स इज रियली नाइस एंड you do pick up pace very well even in the 5th gear. You can check it out. It is very comfortable, it is very effortless, and the bike responds to your throttle input nicely. Now I wish कि इस बाइक में आपको एक 6th gear भी मिल जाता. That would have been the true overdrive gear for better highway mile munching abilities. But this 5th gear is not bad. A 5-speed gearbox is not a bad deal at all. The overall nature of this motorcycle is not to be ridden at high speeds, and I think this gearbox does a fine job at it. Now since we are talking about the gearbox, gear shifts are precise. काफ़ी स्मूथ गियर शिफ्ट्स होते हैं एंड आई हैव बीन रियली सरप्राइज्ड विद द गियर बॉक्स एज वेल. इट इज़ नॉट एट ऑल क्लंकी, ज़्यादा आवाज़ भी नहीं करता है जब आप गियर चेंजेस करते हो, और उसकी वजह से भी आपको ये मोटरसाइकिल काफ़ी एफर्टलेस लगने वाली है. द ओनली प्रॉब्लम विद द गियर बॉक्स एरिया इज़ दैट द क्लच इज़ ऑन द हेवियर साइड, और उसकी वजह से आपको थोड़ा एफर्ट लगाना पड़ता है, स्पेशली when you are using this motorcycle at city speeds in city traffic. So that is something that you have to keep in mind. I wish एक slipper assist clutch आपको मिल जाता with this motorcycle. It would have just made your ride that much more effortless. और इस gearbox की मुझे एक और चीज़ जो पसंद आई वो है इसका clutch. Now you don't have a slipper assist clutch, but still the clutch mechanism is very nice. ये नया डेवलप किया गया क्लच है, और जब भी से फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप हाई स्पीड पे से डाउन शिफ्ट कर देते हो, द वे द क्लच कपल्स एंड डीकपल्स विद द इंजन, इट इज़ वेरी नाइस. द ट्रांजिशन इज़ वेरी स्मूथ. तो ज़्यादा बार आपको व्हील लॉक होते हुए महसूस नहीं होगा. यू विल नॉट रियली find that uncomfortable gear change or that uncomfortable downshift. So that will also keep you happy in the long run of your ownership with this Royal Enfield Meteor 350. Now since we are out on the highway, of course you are more interested to know about the speed that this bike can achieve and what is going to be your ideal cruising speed on this motorcycle. अब ideally अगर आप ये बाइक चला रहे हो, ये Meteor 350 खरीदने की सोच रहे हो, the best speed is close to 70 kilometers per hour when you want to cruise effortlessly and have some fun and just stay laid back and relaxed on this motorcycle. If you want to ride this bike fast, ये जो Meteor 350 है, it does start showing some buzz over 80 kilometers per hour. 80 के ऊपर आपको हल्का सा बज़ फील होना शुरू हो जाता है, but it is not uncomfortable at all. But now let's ride fast and let me tell you all about the high speed abilities. Check this out. Right now at 80 kilometers per hour, going to keep the gas open. Right now at 100 kilometers per hour, and even when you approach corners, this Meteor 350 feels nice and sure-footed. तो आपको डर नहीं लगने वाला है. Now you can do 100 kilometers per hour all day if you want, but at 100 kilometers per hour you are going to feel some amount of buzz even on the saddle. तो आपको सीट पे भी थोड़ा बहुत बज़ जो है वो फील होगा, and at 100 the buzz is also felt slightly on the foot pegs. अगर आप इसका एक्सेसरी फुट पैग खरीदते हो which has a chunkier rubber mount, आपको थोड़ा कम बज़ शायद फील हो सकता है. Right now we have that foot peg over here on this motorcycle, but still there is no denying that fact that there is some amount of buzz on this motorcycle, but it is way lesser than the old bike. Right now again I am in 5th gear. You can check it out. I am at 60 kilometers per hour, and you can drop the speed in top gear as low as 40 kilometers per hour, and the bike will just effortlessly keep munching miles. It will not feel nervous. आपको जडर फील नहीं होने वाला है, and all of these things in your ownership cycle make a lot of difference. And when you are driving slowly, when you have the throttle input very gentle, आपको इस स्पीडोमीटर क्लस्टर में जो डिजिटल एरिया दिया गया है वहाँ पे एक इको इंडिकेटर भी दिखाई देता है which tells you that you are driving in the most economical range of this Meteor 350's engine, and then you will get better mileage. नाउ सिंस आई हैव मेंशन माइलेज, आप लगभग 35 से 40 का माइलेज इस बाइक पे से एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो. इफ यू आर ड्राइविंग ओवर 80 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर, ओवर 90 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर, योर माइलेज इज गोइंग टू बी क्लोज टू 35 और अ लिटिल लेस मे बी डिपेंडिंग ऑन द लोड ऑन द मोटरसाइकिल. And if you are riding close to 70 kilometers per hour, cruising in the best ideal rev range of this motorcycle, I think you will get 40 kmpl or even more if you want. Right now, check it out. I am at 70, I am in 5th gear, and I am just so happy on this motorcycle. And now I am going to open the gas. This Meteor 350 does have enough go. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये मोटर जो है इट जस्ट हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ शो. यू कैन पिक अप गुड अमाउंट ऑफ पेस. एंड आई डोंट थिंक रॉयल एनफील्ड राइडर जो हैं दे केयर अ लॉट अबाउट हाई स्पीड. दे केयर अबाउट द मोटर्स लेड बैक एटीट्यूड. दे केयर अबाउट द मोटर्स torque that is available lower down in the rev range. But still, because this is a modern motorcycle, a lot of people will expect some amount of speed carrying abilities, and there this Meteor 350 is not going to disappoint. You can check it out. I can easily pass the highway traffic and there is no problem at all maintaining triple digit speeds if you want. You just have to be careful that you have to maintain the weight of this motorcycle. Right now I am over 100 kilometers per hour and the bike feels nice and stable as well. Wheelbase जो है वो भी बढ़ गया है इस motorcycle का. It has been increased, so that also adds to the overall stable feeling of this motorcycle. This Meteor 350 can do over 120 kilometers per hour whenever you get a chance, whenever you see that open road. And the thing is, over 100 kilometers per hour engine जो है वो थोड़ा समय ले लेती है to reach the actual top speed, to reach 120 kilometers per hour. But it can achieve that if you think that there is that need for speed. But otherwise, if you ask me, I would ride this motorcycle close to 70 to 80 kilometers per hour and just enjoy the road and just enjoy the ride. Now talking about the chassis of this motorcycle, ये Meteor 350 जो है, it rides on a double cradle down tube frame. It has been stiffened. It is tighter than before and it is lighter than before. The overall motorcycle लगभग 6 किलोग्राम का weight reduction हुआ है on this bike compared to its predecessor, which was the Thunderbird. Now it is still a heavy motorcycle. It is not a light motorcycle. तो अगर आपको इस बाइक को पार्किंग में पुश करना है, you will feel the weight. अगर बाइक पंक्चर हो जाती है और अगर आपको इस बाइक को धक्का देना पड़ जाता है, you will feel the weight. There is no denying that fact. But check this out. To change lanes and to change direction, this bike is reasonably fast. अब ये एक typical cruiser style format है. This has feet forward riding position. You sit laid back on the motorcycle and you are not at all leaning on the handlebar. And when you compare all of that and then when you ride this motorcycle, it is not bad at all. It is very, very manageable. The weight of this motorcycle on the go is also very manageable. So the overall improvements on this Meteor 350 as a package are really, really impressive. The engine is smoother, the weight has gone down, the chassis is tighter, and overall you get better performance as well. पुराने 350cc motorcycle के comparison में ये जो नई Meteor 350 engine है, this is faster to 0 to 100 as well. Now this bike rides on a conventional telescopic front suspension. You get dual shock absorbers at the back and the ride quality is very predictable. It is typical Royal Enfield. It is nice and cushiony when you are riding it at city speeds. आपको ज़्यादा दिक्कत नहीं होगी. Of course you have accessory seats to get better comfort if you want, if you wish to kit up your motorcycle and make it more suitable to your riding requirements and your riding preferences. तो काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं जो आपके राइड को एनहेंस कर सकती हैं. बट द सस्पेंशन विल डू अ डिसेंट जॉब. इट इज़ नॉट एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरीली कंफर्टेबल. अगर आप काफ़ी लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस के लिए इस बाइक के सैडल पे बैठते हो, you might expect that the suspension could have been or should have been slightly more softer, but then that would have made this bike a little more bouncy. अभी जो ये मोटरसाइकिल कॉर्नर्स काफ़ी अच्छे से इनकाउंटर कर सकती है, काफ़ी अच्छे से टैकल कर पाती है. अगर सस्पेंशन सेटअप ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट हो जाता तो आपकी राइड क्वालिटी ज़्यादा बाउंसी हो जाती, एंड दैट कुड हैव मेड यू अ लिटिल नर्वस एट हायर स्पीड्स स्पेशली. So even in the ride quality department, I think Royal Enfield has tuned this bike brilliantly, and it is very well suited to the Indian road conditions. And even when you are making long sweeping turns, this bike will stay stable. Talking about the finer details which are important to you as a rider, ये जो cockpit feel है, it feels good. It feels a good evolution over the Thunderbird. And the speedometer cluster is very nice and easy to read, and even the digital meter that you get inside the speedometer cluster area, it is very easy to read. आपको वहाँ पे एक gear position indicator दिया गया है. You have an eco indicator for times when you are in the most economical rev range of this Meteor 350. You can very easily read the time, you can very easily read the trip as well. और जो trip है उसे अगर आपको toggle करना है तो यहाँ पे आपको एक स्विच दिया गया है. यू कैन सी दिस रोटरी बटन ओवर हियर बिहाइंड. यू हैव टू प्रेस दैट. कन्वेंशनली यहाँ पे पास स्विच दिया जाता है, बट यू हैव दैट बटन ओवर हियर टू प्ले अराउंड विद द डिजिटल डिस्प्ले ऑफ दिस स्पीडोमीटर क्लस्टर. एंड टू द राइट हैंड साइड यू हैव द ट्रिपर कंसोल ऑफ दिस रॉयल एनफील्ड मीटियोर 350. नाउ वेरी क्विकली आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू हाउ टू ऑपरेट दैट ट्रिपर कंसोल ऑफ दिस मीटियोर 350. आई एम गोइंग टू वेरी क्विकली come to a halt and let me show that to you. Okay, it is very simple to operate. It is not at all too complicated. तो आप very quickly इसे set कर सकते हो. You can just set the desired location. So let me open up my phone. So the first important thing is that if you are using your phone in low power mode, आप ये जो ट्रिपर console है उसे use नहीं कर पाओगे. You will have to turn off the low power mode, and you know after that you can use this. अभी आपको जब navigation set करना है, you have to press this helmet button. Check this out. I'm going to very quickly turn this on and off. Now you can notice that it has connected to this RE display. यहाँ पे ये ट्रिपर console पे भी आपको एक green signal दिखाई देता है with this helmet. You get the same illumination on the helmet when you do that. Now you have to add your destination. I'm going to add Ambi Valley City, and now I'm going to start directions. तो यहाँ पे आपको एक रूट प्रीव्यू आ जाता है. यू कैन गेट योर ETA एज वेल, एंड देन यू कैन प्रेस नेविगेट. और अभी यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो ऑन द ट्रिपर कंसोल यू हैव स्टार्टेड टू रिसीव द नेविगेशन अपडेट्स. टर्न बाय टर्न नेविगेशन आपको मिलने वाले हैं. अब ये जो ट्रिपर कंसोल है इसमें आपको आपके स्मार्टफोन के डिटेल्स नहीं मिलने वाले हैं, विच मीन्स दैट यू विल नॉट गेट योर कॉल नोटिफिकेशंस और योर SMS notifications, anything like that. You will only get this navigation information, and it is very quick and easy to operate, and this also is very easy to read. So overall ये जो मीटर कंसोल है इस रॉयल एनफील्ड मीटियोर 350 का, this will also feel that little bit modern, that little bit acceptable as per 2020 standards. So right now we are approaching Lonavala and we are in the Western Ghat section. So this ghat is something that we really like, we really enjoy as bikers, and on this twisty road, let me tell you that this Royal Enfield Meteor 350 will please you. You can check it out. I can easily sway on it, I can easily change directions, and even when you are on an incline there is enough go. तो अगर आपको किसी कार को ओवरटेक करना है, ऐसा नहीं है कि ये जो Meteor 350 की engine है it will fall short. The tires are fantastic on this bike. You are getting C8 tires as stock on this Meteor 350, and they were offering me good grip at high speed, and they are offering me good grip even now when I am enjoying on this ghat road. So overall जो पैकेज मिल रहा है आपको with this motorcycle, it is superior to the previous Thunderbird models, and you are going to have a lot of fun on this bike. Just check this out. You can so easily change directions. आप घाट रोड्स पे काफ़ी अच्छे से इसे एंजॉय कर पाओगे. एंड इवन मिड कॉर्नर अगर आप किसी बम्प को एनकाउंटर कर लेते हो, द बाइक डजंट गेट अनसेटल्ड वेरी इजीली, एंड दिस इज़ अ गुड प्लेस टू बी. द मीटियोर 350 is a good bike to ride even in ghats, even on such twisty roads. And the tires are great, the chassis is great, the engine is nice and smooth, so your riding experience is very, very pleasing. But now since we are also talking about this bike's highway riding abilities, we are going to get a little bit of the Mumbai-Pune expressway, and let us check out if this bike has, you know, more go than the show that it has. It looks beautiful. It is a lot improved than before, but can it go fast? Let's check it out. So we are out on the expressway now. We are going to get some time to go full gas, all out on the throttle. So let's check that out. Let's check out this bike's top speed ability. So in 3, 2, 1, full throttle. Royal Enfield claims that this bike has extra 1000 RPM to play around when you want to, you know, ring the throttle and get all the power and torque and use all the performance that this motor has to offer. And I am pleasantly surprised, and me as a rider on this Meteor 350, I am genuinely happy. You can check it out. This bike can keep up with cars out on the fast highways, and you will have no problem at all. So you are not going to feel like a slow sitting duck on a Royal Enfield anymore. You can pick up pace, you can maintain momentum, and this bike is likable. I have not really recommended a Royal Enfield motorcycle to many people who have asked me what they should buy under 2 lakh rupees. But if someone now asks me if they want a relaxed motorcycle to just have some fun on the weekend, or maybe just commute to office, I will surely recommend this Meteor 350. Check this out. This is an incline patch, but the bike is picking up pace. It is at 100 kilometers per hour, and it is rock solid. It is super stable. And by the way, the point that I missed to talk about was brakes. इस बाइक के साथ आपको ड्यूअल चैनल ABS दिया गया है. You have a disc brake at the front and at the back, and typical of cruisers, the brake bias is towards the rear wheel. तो अगर आप ब्रेक्स का इस्तेमाल करते हो इस बाइक पे, the front brake bite and feel is not going to be all that great. You will feel that the front brake is slightly inadequate at times. लेकिन जब आप इसका rear brake इस्तेमाल करते हो, it grabs on very nicely. It gives you good stopping power, and you will get good confidence while making use of that. Also, जब आपको सिर्फ front brake इस्तेमाल करना है, if you are someone who prefers using the front brake a little more, you will just have to grab the brake lever that little bit extra to get the ideal stopping power. But एक बार आपको इस बाइक की आदत हो जाएगी, I am sure कि आप काफ़ी comfortable हो जाओगे in modulating the front and rear brake lever and bringing the bike in your control very easily. The dual channel ABS system on this motorcycle is also non-intrusive. एक भी बार ऐसा नहीं हुआ है that, you know, the ABS kicked in prematurely and, you know, it gave me a scare. The brakes have worked fantastically, and I have had no problems at all. So let me know in the comments, what do you think about this Royal Enfield Meteor 350? Now, I have not ridden it till its top speed, which is a little over 120 kilometers per hour today, because the road is a little busy and I don't really recommend triple digit speeds here on the Indian streets. But the bike is very happy at 80 kilometers per hour. It can do 100 kilometers per hour all day, but there will be a slight buzz. It can do 120 kilometers per hour, but it will take time to reach 120. And also one more thing that I have to mention, ये जो tripper console है, right now I entered a tunnel, you just saw that, and once my mobile phone lost the GPS signal, I am unable to see the turn-by-turn navigation on this tripper meter. So I think I'm going to have to, you know, remove my mobile phone again and then set it again to, you know, have that navigation pop up here on the tripper meter. So that is also something that you have to keep in mind. So let me know in the comments, what do you think about this Royal Enfield Meteor 350? क्या आपको लगता है as per 2020 standards this is a good motorcycle? Do you think you will be happy on this bike? Do you think this bike will keep you happy on the highway? दैट इज़ इंपॉर्टेंट. सिटी राइड के लिए हमने एक अलग वीडियो अपलोड किया है, सो डू चेक दैट आउट इफ़ यू आर प्लानिंग टू बाय दिस बाइक फॉर योर डेली कम्यूट. देयर यू विल गेट टू नो एवरीथिंग अबाउट दिस बाइक. टिल नेक्स्ट टाइम, subscribe to the Shifting Gears channel. If you have any other queries, do ask me. I will be more than happy to help you. And see you soon. Always ride safe. Always wear full riding gear. Say no to road rage. And when you are on a motorcycle, don't just keep riding zigzag. Don't sway around too much. Maintain a lane and stay safe out on this crazy Indian road.